A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And what a nice move we have got out of natural gas as predicted in my last video, with a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. So let's see what I've said in the last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. We have a new high right here. Now we are allowed to take a pullback entry bullish. So at this point, what to expect from here? A pullback of few candles. If we have a retest of this anchor level followed by bullish engulfer, that will be also a strong entry, because then we have an anchor level, a retest of the anchor level above 50 EMA, a bullish engulfer, that will be a strong signal, and then the price will likely push up from here. So if let's say if the price did not make it to the anchor level and we have a pullback entry, let's say above 50 EMA and above this anchor level without the price hit the zone, in that case that will be a valid entry as well. So that is what I'm looking at, only pullback entry bullish at this point. Nice one. So as you can see, the price did pushed up around 4 ATR. It did hit my take profit on the other platform, but it did not actually fully hit my green box, but that is totally fine. I'm still expecting a price to push higher from here. Most of the members, they have sent me message that their take profit has been hit with the spread, of course, as this was the trade alert I've sent to the members with exact stops and target, and we have 2 targets we are looking at. But if you're trading here on Owanda like me, so don't worry, I'm still expecting a price to push up. Don't exit your trades until it hits your take profit or stop loss. So at this point, we have a pullback of few candles, exactly as mentioned yesterday that we have an anchor level. Now the price has just formed another anchor level. So at this point, what to expect from here? A little box that makes it really easy for you when you see a price to make a new high. Exact move something like this when we had a new high right here. We had a bullish candle, but that is not a valid entry. We had a valid entry on capital.com, but that also pushed up, and then the price broke above this anchor level. We have a price pushed on a pullback, and now expecting a price to push up at least first till this recent high right here. Once the price hit the recent high, if you're managing a trade, this is the place I would manage my trades to, and then I will expect a price to push down, a good breather, and then possible break above, and then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish till we are in the zone above in red, which is right here. In case you missed it, it is 2.033. that goes to 2.169. from where we're going to look for our reversal trades like bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish. For now, I'm still expecting a price to push higher. At least this high broke above, we start to look for the pullback entry bullish, but I'm expecting some pullback from this anchor level before the price will start to push up. Again, if we have a push down to 50 EMA, I will not get alarmed. We can get a possible bullish engulfer at 50 EMA. That is very likely if the price dramatically push down to 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. I just want to give you a heads up, if you see this type of condition, that is also one of the entry if we have a valid engulfing pattern. Exactly same here on capital.com. I don't want to repeat all the stuff again, but look for the zone right here. Once we have a push up right here, the zone, it is 2.164. that goes to 2.314, from where we're going to look for our entry condition. For now, just mark another anchor level, which is right here, to calculate a possible new high, pullback, push up, and the zone above to take your sell trade. Wherever I get my entry condition, I will take my trade. And let's say if the price hit the red zone on Owanda first and get a condition, I will still take my trades. If you are trading on the other platform, you can use these charts for your analysis and then take your trades according to your own platform. So keep an eye out. These are the conditions I'll be looking at for my possible trades here on Nemex. Exactly the same thing. Zone above for your sell trade is 2.088. That goes to 2.240, from where we're going to look for our sell trade. For now, I'm expecting a price to push up. Here on gold is pushing up. Now we need to move a Fibonacci tool higher as the price is still pushing up. If you remember my yesterday's video, I've said that silver will likely push the gold higher. And once the silver price hit the zone, which is right here, is 24.26, that goes to 24.66. Once the price pushes up, in that case, we start to see a pullback, a breather, and on the gold as well. So look back here on gold. Now, with the fib tool, which is from here till this zone. Now, if we have a push down to 50% retracement or a 382 retracement, and 25% retracement, this is my buffer zone right here. And if we have a condition like bullish engulfer inside that, then we have a valid entry signal. 180 will be my targets right here. I want to exit my trades. If you want to manage it, 1.618 retracement is a place till where you want to manage your trades if you want to manage your trades. Otherwise, aggressive entry, 50% retracement, sell limit order, 180 initial target, take profit to will be 1.618 retracement. That is 2176. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition for aggressive entry and less aggressive entry, which is pullback entry, pullback of few candles above 50 EMA, at 50 EMA, wherever we get with the bullish engulfers with 1 ATR for your initial target. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. Not looking for sell trades at this point, but I'm still looking at this level that has been broken recently, which is right here. I've just readjusted the zones, and I'm going to update members as well as 2056 that goes to 207, 1.16. Once we have a push down to this zone right here, I'll start to look for another buy trade if in case we have a deep pullback to this green zone. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition, we're good to go along. For silver, I'm still looking at this area. We have almost in this area right here, almost there, and we also have a nice bearish engulfing pattern. With this pattern, we can only expect a nice breather maybe till 50 EMA, then a possible push back up from this zone. In this zone, if we see a condition like bearish engulfers, something like this, or double top, in that case I'm going to go for sell trade with conditions I've just mentioned. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short, otherwise long with if we have a pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA. Last one, we have crude oil. It's still inside a level of resistance. So at this point, I can still see a bearish pressure out of crude oil, but still not completely broken above this high. For the next pullback entry, now right here, that was a valid entry, and that would be a stop loss hit as well according to the 1 ATR targets right here. So for now, we are still inside the zone at this point. If we are now broken below the zone, I can see a bearish pressure with this 382 candle right here that can possibly push the price lower as well till this recent lows right here, and then we start to look for aggressive entry bearish. I'm going to use this zone right here, 78.06, that goes up to 79.97 with bearish engulfers or double top condition. If the price push down, pull back, and forms a bearish condition for the next bearish entry. For now, I'm still waiting. If you have a dramatic push up above this high, only then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish. Otherwise, I'll still wait how the price actually pushes lower. With this bearish pressure, I'm expecting a price to at least push down till this recent low, and then I'll see if you have a good momentum or if you have a pullback to the zone to take my next sell trade. If you have a good momentum below 50 EMA and we have broken below this low with a wick as well, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bearish only. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short. Otherwise, I can see a bearish pressure right here at crude oil. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.